Show me love. Boss, you too much. Yes, one for Sudan and one for Sudan. Yes, I'm gonna clap for honorable. Clap for honorable. Okay. Okay. Join MC, the youngest MC, as a unpose the next person.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Clap.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Give it up for your homeboy. All the way from the city. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Cactus Boy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Yo, Shafu.
Every S2, I didn't see the map. Every S2. Let's go.
Yeah.
Y'all don't sit me like a tonton.
Hey.
Y'all don't do me like Django Lover. Baby girl, feel that for you. Because DJ drop her for them. Cactus Boy, alongside Jackie Yard. I like respect.
Talk to the top of the bubble.
See, what the bubble? We don't press on. We don't walk on. We don't jump on. We don't mind you. Our belly show. Our belly quabi. Catty fish,
Sexy ladies.
One time.
Hey, I love the way you move your body.
Now so.
Beautiful lady.
One time.
I love the way you shake your body.
Now so.
The way you want you blow my mind.
Cactus Boy, killing the beat. I good boy, put on the man. Hey,
The way you want you blow my mind.
hey, the way you want you blow my mind. One time, go. Cactus Boy, I'm my you. 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 Cactus Boy, I'm my you.
I love the better.
We don't need to do that anymore. And we ask you, why not do it again? And this is why I'm hey, see, we got the chance, yo. What see, I bet kuna come. See, come here. Cactus Boy is going higher. See, Matthew, Cactus Boy got the mail. Cactus Boy got the commission. See, let's go. Cactus Boy has the mail. Cactus Boy has the mail. Cactus Boy has the mail. Let's go!
Mayu, Cactus Boy say Mayu, Cactus Boy say Mayu, Cactus Boy say Chappy Show, Cactus Boy say Mayu,
Cactus Boy say Mayu, Cactus Boy say Mayu,
Cactus Boy say Chappy Show, Cactus Boy, hey, the two boys, hey, they're too bad,
Chappy Show, hey, Cactus Boy say Mayu, hey, Chappy Show, hey,
make the other luku, it's time for you to chuku,
hey, see,
chuku,
hey, see,
there's a luku, hey, come on, fresh, oh, no,
hey, what time?
hey,
What time?
Gabos,
Hey, what?
yai,
What time?
oh my,
Hey, see, hey, Cactus Boy say, Cactus Boy say, Cactus Boy say, Cactus Boy say,
Chappy Show, Cactus Boy say Mayu,
Cactus Boy say, Cactus Boy say, Cactus Boy say.
Chappy Show, hey, yeah, Cactus.
Y'all don't shoot me like a tonton. Y'all don't do me like Django Lover. Baby girl, feel that fun. Because you are my lover. Shake it, huh? Work it, shake it, huh? Run it, shake it, huh? Run it. This your love, say make it take it, make it, pass it. This your love, love it, shake it. Hey. Ooh. Your love is true. Hey. My baby, you know that it's true. Hey. I love the way you move. When you shine back.
Baby, wanna be with the boys. Don't wanna do. Love it. Hey, shake it. Hey, baby, I love the way you move. Love it. Hey, shake it. Baby, I love the way you move. Love it. Hey, shake it. Baby, I love the way you move. Love it. Hey, shake it. Baby, I love the way you move. Yes, that was wonderful. It's a wonderful thing. That was the practice first. It's wonderful entertainment to celebrate. I'm gonna tell you, when it comes to music, you're gonna see things like these happening live on shows on 92.3 FM Independent Radio and Television. We got the Cactus.
Ladies and gentlemen, please a round of applause for them.
I want to give him another time. You're gonna introduce.
No, we did stage together. We did stage together.
The guy depends when you want break on
No,
show.
nah, just quick.
Okay.
Give. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna celebrate now. I'm gonna celebrate now. I beg.
Not be
And like this Davido test start with Davido.
Yes.
They call them Whiskey.
Yes.
Davido, they call them Whiskey. They call them Olamide. Now so they test start.
Not be lie.
Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for them. I beg. Celebrate your.
Cactus boys, not be joke. Those boys finish work.
I mean, as na me at the show, I want one now. More than not smoke. More than not drink. As you see me so, I know they drink, I know they smoke.
You lie.
Shut up.
When I meet you for formal chop taste, what do you do? Why you the lie?
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, Ego. I give it up for my one and only.
Yeah.
All the way from South Pele, all the way from Edo State, all the way from Ecuador, all the way from Nigeria.
Wow.
Give it up for my one and only Auntie Young Joe.
Joe, thank you.
Ego. DJ, you supposed to dey play music.
I don't do comedy again. Two comedians they perform since nobody they spray them. So now I can say I don't stop to do comedy. You know, see my class. I'm now a musical artist. See those two people we can sing just now. See those two of you now. I want to invest in them. I go learn work. But based on things, now artist I can't be. I don't change my talent. I don't mean I clap for a my ballad in youngest MC. Who are the respect? I'm not supposed to talk with I want to talk now. As you see me for here, I discover my talent through this small boy. Not small boy, but he's a small boy but mighty. Me not clap for her. If not be, maybe I for them one play the smoky bow. Alright now, I'm not a musical artist. DJ, give me beat. They dance, they sing just now, those small children. They spray the money. If I not spray money, no problem. DJ, that my new music want to do. This is about 20 something before Christmas. Plan for them, that beat. When I watch me, I'll be good artist. DJ. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, man. Now me sing this music. Yeah. Let him up. Yeah. I like the music with my hand. Now me sing now. Now sing the music. All right. Yeah. Yeah, man. Now me sing the music. Yeah. Before they spray, let him up. I know screaming. Yeah, DJ! Yeah! Aha! Let me sing this music. Let me sing my daddy. Let me sing the music. You know there's some people that they spend another pick. Thought I go fire on me, I'll pick my money. Now they mad. See, if you near my money, I'll bet you. Daddy, thank you. So more there's music that myself. Did you change the beat for me, my Chris? Clap for yourself. If you don't say not be mistake, you just plan and think. So about that, just 1 hour to the new year. So if you know you're happy, just put your hands together for yourself and celebrate God. It's not easy. Alright, if you don't say you be your boy for a year, you be hustler. You don't say you depressed, your money not they come easily. Clap for yourself. When I mean hustler, you the mud block. You gotta do big clear. You are a hustler. Clap for yourself. If you don't say the struggle before your money come, clap for yourself. And this 2019 go better for you. See, when I say your boys, not the fear. See, I got one advice for girls. If you be girl, what the girls were there, men are moving around now. What the girls, not the fear. See, come, see your head. Not the fear. Girls, be very careful. Be very, very careful. I know what they tell you. Thank you. God bless you. What I talking? See, for where I take home, if you see girls from my side, they're not girl won't begin. Yahoo boys, they use girls anyhow. Recently, I go join HK because my Yahoo country in. I say I want blow, I want make this money. I go join HK for Lagos. The HK when I did, all the old boys that they collect back to back every time. And I did the HK for 5 years. Instead of MAGA to the pay me, I mean the pay MAGA. But the people that they teach me the work, that they collect when I did, that they tell me one word, I know the year word, that they tell me say you know go plus. I know they understand the meaning of plus. Now till when I come settle down, I say what's the meaning of plus? They can't teach me. And for where they take the plus for the Lagos, now guess that they use guess womb. Now that they use to they subscribe. So now I can agree say I go plus to make the money. Now I come back to Edo State, to Ekuma. Come make friends with all my girlfriends. And to sub for there, one girl womb will take you for 4 months. So to subscribe for 4 months, you use one girl womb. So now I carry 8 of my girlfriend's pictures. Go Lagos. I want to go use the subscribe. So when I reach where the Baba, the Baba say, what are you here to do, my son? Now I say I can't subscribe. He say how many girls? Now I say 8 girls. Now the Papa say for 2 years. Now I say yes. Now I say the first picture. Now I give him the first picture. Now I check. Now I tell me whoop already used. I shock. Now I give him the second picture. I check. He say whoop already used. I shock. I give her the third one, the fourth one, to the 7th one. He said the whole womb, they don't use them. I said, Jesus Christ. Now the Baba come, they ask me, where you for come? Now I say, for Edo State. He said, but there, they not get womb again. The thing what shocked me in my youngest MC, my guy, his sister now the number 7 there when I use, they say they not get womb still. If I try clap for me, I get well. Time out today, I just drop sharp, drop mine. Now, if you see big boy for club, big boy the entire club, it is sweet. DJ, just give me that Burna Boy new music. Burna Boy new music. This one a big boy one entire club. In the big boy standard. The difference between big boy entire club, just party like this. You see, say big boy when don't make money, when don't collect better entire club. Big boy, you see the difference. DJ better music. This one a big boy when don't make better money. In one entire club. Yeah. When I watch well, I'm a big boy, I don't collect better transaction. I dey enter this kind of club now. So because of the transaction, when I don't collect, and they don't say when I enter home, I'll dey hide for some kind people. No, not be this one now. Don't worry, you know, bring it down. You can see the big boy, don't hide for club. For where for hide too, I dey for the other. Bama! You see, say Bama will come out. Say, give me one Hennessy. Do you have any key? You say yes. For where there's one, I go the other for table. See that table? Give that 2 crates of Hennessy. Go the other small, in a mature way. Sweet, but poor old boy. Old boy will never go everywhere. When they see they do local, they collect 1,000 naira recharge card, 200 naira recharge card. See, did you give me any markers there? See, poor old boy. So if you know the kind of stage where you do now, you need to amend yourself. See, I don't at that club now, be old boy, poor boy. DJ, I don't wait for you. You go like this. Do it last. Did you bring it down? Because it's a we boy the order. Waiter, come. You gotta say, you get Bessie, give me 2. You get Alamo, give me 2. Calculate all the money, no let that pass on general. Thank you.
I beg a round of applause for Young Joe. I beg one clap for Young Joe. Clap for Young Joe. I greet you formally. You dey laugh. I like honorable. If honorable come with VIP, they pay for people. Mostly Orowe people. You know why? When I greet this honorable, you get why? When I clap for her, you know easy. See, person destiny. If God say destiny, now here you dey go, you must reach her. You know, it not concern where you for the come. If I remember where me for the come, I go to thank God. You got another person when I will ever respect, and I be Matthew. If it is a Matthew, na small boy. You got why I like Matthew. Matthew has never failed me one day. When I clap for that boy. Motto throw me for you, Matthew must run come. Honorable, you know why I clap for you? You don't say you buy things for the VIP. You never buy. I just thought out if you buy for me today. Yes! Clap for your honorable. Bros, who not see you blind? If I say I don't see you, I blind. You too much. I like these people. I like youngest people. You know why they talk say I like youngest people? Youngest, you see why you go like your people? Just see crab. We dey do show for Apple.
Turn up.
You know they turn up rich like this.
Turn up.
You know I say people, I'm gonna clap for youngest.
Hey go.
Clap for your shaman.
Clap for the young Shagro.
Yeah, the young Shagro. See, next year, I want to advise you. I'm gonna not let this thing stop. People went to Lagos. I know so I get people from abroad.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We're gonna clap for
Ladies
that
and gentlemen.
I want claps.
Give it up for.
Give it up for the
Flex.
Flex. I go put J. Sorry, Flex. I beg. Clap for Flex. After Flex, we have the Akim Papa on the building. The Flex on the building. Thank you. This one another person.
Petit aka Success Park. The club, the talk. Move. Everybody got it. Cause now, can I beat this? You see this coming, man? Yeah. It's